Hello everyone, Sam here from creativetradingsystems.com. Making this video as a weekly recap, last week recap and the trades taken. So let's get started. This is on the 23rd, pound Aussie from 7-minute chart. This is the entry, beautiful entry here. And look, 7-minute chart, how many entries? This is the entry. Beautiful setup here, all over the place, right? 105 pip from here to here. And here Euro-Aussie also from 7-minute chart, 170 pip, but this is like it says 26th May, and let me see, this is 23rd, but this is 24th, right? But if you see, this entry was on 23rd, so it is like 2 days worth of trade. Okay. And then on the 25th, Euro-USD from 20-minute short setup all the way down as USD was getting strong. And here on the 26th, Euro-Yen, Yen was getting weaker, so all Yen pair went up. Euro-Yen, buy order here, beautiful entry, and 115 pip. And this one on pound Yen, again, this one also long, buy order here for 115 pip. And this one, USD-Yen, when Yen index going up, everything, all the pairs, all Yen pairs, sorry, will go up, right? So that's how you get entries from all the Yen pairs. You know, sometimes more, sometimes less, but yeah, there are 7 Yen pairs, so at least 4 or 5 will give you the entry. So buy order here, and this USD Yen for 85 pip, and then this one USD-CAD buy here, and USD getting strong, so USD-CAD, USD is on the left hand side, so this pair goes up, and here is for 90 pip. So these are 7 trades, all that's all I have last week. Why fewer trades? Because I'm involved in too many one-on-one going on right now, and I have a discount going on, so people are signing up, and you also have your chance to sign up for one-on-one coaching, which is a course over the Zoom, 10-hour course, 1 hour each session, where you learn not only this setup but everything else. Everything has, Forex has to offer. Trend line, support, resistance, and Elliott wave, Hermani pattern, how to make precise entries using the system, and how to find the target, blah blah blah, everything you learn. So right now, this discount I started on like last Saturday, and it will end on Friday, June the 2nd. So take advantage of that. You can go here, and you will find just one-on-one, and sign up if you want. Like I said, that 40% off. So take advantage of it. All right. So this is it for now. Don't forget to subscribe my channel so that you can get my videos quickly on time, so you can take advantage of that. And the next video I'll be probably making is US dollar index, how it is going, and how I have a different scenario. And let's see which way it goes. All right. So you want to know ahead of time, fast, and so that you can take advantage of it. All right. USD pairs, there are 7 of them, right? And they all move when the USD is on the move, and you have multiple trades in your hand. And this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful rest of the trading week.